In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Microsoft Word with tips and tricks. By the end, you'll move through documents faster, format with confidence, and automate routine tasks so your work looks polished with less effort. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with selection and navigation. If you ever fumble with selecting just the right bit of text, try this. Hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac. Then click anywhere in a sentence to highlight the entire sentence instantly. Need to jump back to where you were editing? Press Shift plus F5 to cycle through your last 3 edit points, which is perfect after long scrolls or searches. To move quickly without the mouse, use Ctrl plus the left or right arrow to hop a word at a time, and Ctrl plus the up or down arrow to move by paragraph. For quick selections, double-click a word to select it, or triple-click in a paragraph to grab the whole thing. And for long documents, turn on the navigation pane from the View tab. It lets you jump by heading, search your content, and even drag sections to rearrange your structure without breaking a sweat. Now, some formatting hacks that save serious time. To change capitalization, select text and press Shift plus F3 to cycle through lowercase, uppercase, and sentence case. When you find yourself repeating the same change, press F4 on Windows or Command plus Y on a Mac to repeat your last action. If your text gets messy, clear it in one shot. Select it and press Ctrl plus space, or use Clear All formatting on the Home tab. When you paste content from elsewhere, keep your document consistent by using Ctrl plus Alt plus V to open Paste Special, and choose to paste as plain text. Finally, apply styles from the Home tab for headings and body text. It keeps your document uniform and unlocks automatic tables of contents later. For automation and customization, turn on some quiet power tools. In File, Options, Proofing, open autocorrect options and create shortcuts that expand into phrases you use all the time. Customize the quick access toolbar at the top so your favorite commands are always one click away. When formatting looks off, press Ctrl plus Shift plus 8, or Command plus 8 on a Mac, to show hidden characters like paragraph marks and tabs. They make troubleshooting layout issues much easier. And if you need today's date to always stay current, go to Insert, choose Date and Time, pick a format, and check Update automatically. Practice a few of these each time you open Word, and they'll quickly become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy writing! If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.